little closer. We could do it over. Just come a little closer now. Over. Come a little closer. We could do it over. Just come a little closer now. Over.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no, not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. Your soul is at the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
Walking the empty streets at dusk, shadowed memories start to rust. Every step feels like a chain, trapped in whispers of the past. Your ghost haunts these silent nights, faded pictures in the pale moonlight. Can't escape these endless dreams, where your voice silently screams. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's a tear I cried, a mirror to the pain inside. These streets hold our history, every corner a mystery. Now they're just cold and hollow, with sorrow's weight I follow. Time's been slow in my mind's eye, where you still linger, haunting sigh in the cinematic woe. Your silence is the loudest echo, lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars, falling through like distant stars. Lost in echoes of your name, broken pieces of our flame, shattered heart with all its scars, falling through like distant stars. Rain falls gently on my face, washing away our last embrace. Every drop's a tear I cry, a mirror to the pain inside. music